Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to learn linear equations in one variable, part 7, English medium textbook, TS, exercise number 2.4. First question, find the value of x so that L is parallel to M. Diagram is given. Solution, given L is parallel to M, then 3x minus 10 degrees is equal to 2x plus 15 degrees. Vertically opposite angles and corresponding angles are equal, implies 3x minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 15. 3x minus 2x is equal to 15 plus 10, that is equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to sum of 6 times of number and 4. Find the number. Solution, let the number is equal to x. 8 times of a number is equal to 8x. If 10 is reduced from 8x, that is equal to 8x minus 10. 6 times of a number is equal to 6x. If 4 is added to 6x, that is equal to 6x plus 4. According to the problem, 8x minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 4, implies 8x minus 6x is equal to 4 plus 10, implies 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Therefore, x is equal to 7. The number is equal to 7. Next, go to third problem. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Solution, let a digit of two-digit number is equal to x. The sum of two digits is equal to 9. Another digit is equal to 9 minus x. That is equal to the number is equal to 10 of 9 minus x plus x. That is equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. That is equal to 90 minus 9x. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Therefore, 90 minus 9x minus 27 is equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. 63 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. 63 minus 9 is equal to 9x plus 9x. 54 is equal to 18x. X is equal to 54 by 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 threes are 54. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Units digit is equal to 3. Tens digit is equal to 9 minus x, that is equal to 9 minus 3, that is equal to 6. The number is equal to 63. Then go to next problem, fourth problem. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the number if the two parts are in the ratio 5:3. Find the number and the two parts. Solution, if a number is divided into two parts in the ratio of 5:3 is equal to 5x comma 3x. According to the problem, 5x is equal to 3x minus 10 implies 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. The required number 5x plus 3 is equal to 8x. 8 into 5, that is equal to 40, and the part of the numbers are 5x is equal to 5 5s are 25, 3x is equal to 3 5s are 15. Fifth problem, when I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Find the number. Solution, let the number is equal to x. 3 times of a number is equal to 3 into x, that is equal to 3x. If 2 is added to 3x, that is equal to 3x plus 2. If x is subtracted from 50, that is equal to 50 minus x. According to the problem, 3x plus 2 is equal to 50 minus x. 3x plus x is equal to 50 minus 2. 4x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. That means 4 12s are 48. Therefore, x is equal to 12. The required number is equal to 12. Then go to next problem. Sixth problem. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will 2 years older than. How old is she now? Solution. Let the age of Mary's sister is equal to x. Mary's age is equal to 2 into x, that is equal to 2x. After 5 years, her sister's age is equal to x plus 5 years. After 5 years, Mary's age is equal to 2x plus 5 years. According to the problem, 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2. 2x minus x is equal to 5 plus 2 minus 5. Plus 5 minus 5 is both are cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 2. The age of Mary's sister is equal to x, that is equal to 2 years. The age of Mary's age is equal to 2x, that means 2 twos are 4 years. Then go to next problem, seventh problem. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times of old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Let Reshma's present age is equal to x. After 5 years, Reshma's age is equal to x plus 5 years. Before 9 years, Reshma's age, x minus 9 years. According to the problem, x plus 5 years is equal to 3 into x minus 9. Implies 5 plus 27 is equal to 3x minus x. Implies 32 is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 32. X is equal to 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 16s are 32. Therefore, x is equal to 16. Reshma's present age is equal to 16 years. Then go to next problem, eighth problem. A town population increased by 1200 people, and then this is new population decreased 11%. The town now had 32 less population than its before the 1200 increase. Find the original population. Let population of a town after increasing of 1200 is equal to x. 11% of present population is equal to 11% of x. That is equal to 11 by 100 into x, that means 11x by 100. According to the problem, 11x by 100 is equal to 1200 plus 32. That is equal to 1232. Implies 11x is equal to 1232 into 100. X is equal to 1232 by 11 into 100. 11 ones are 11 and also 11 ones are 11. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. That means 112. Therefore, x is equal to 112 into 10. Therefore, x is equal to 11,200. The present population of town is equal to 11,200 minus 1,200. That is equal to 10,000. In this session, we learned solving daily life problems in one variables. Thank you, students. Please subscribe my channel for notifications.